Today, we'll be looking at Redstor, a 3-in-1 data management solution that contains backup, archiving and disaster recovery to protect, manage and recover your data in minutes with complete ease. Now, I'm going to be talking about all three elements, but let's start with backup. With Redstor, you can back up data from desktops, laptops and servers across physical and virtual platforms. Your data is encrypted at source, in transit and at rest and held securely encrypted in UK data centres. Backups run to an automated schedule with no need for manual intervention, no human error, no risk, and only you have access to the encryption key, which means you're in total control of your data. Administrators have full control of all processes, as well as a single unified view of your data, regardless of what it's stored on or where it's stored. Okay, so you've backed up your data and something happens. Someone has deleted an important document or file and you need to restore it. This is where the Redstor technology instant data comes in. Let's look at this further. So once the interface is loaded, you're able to recover information from any of the historical backups and times. You can then browse the data and select the files you wish to recover. In this case, I'm going to drag and drop the test videos folder to the desktop. Even whilst it's restoring, I can still browse the folder and see all the files available. And if I need to use any of these, I simply select them and instant data will bump them up to the highest priority, meaning I can use them immediately, just as I'm doing with the file Beach 6. Now let's move on to archiving. Redstor archiving works as a long-term data storage solution with the benefit of easy access to data when needed. Now, the simple fact is that storing stagnant data but important data on your server or local machine takes up valuable storage space. Archiving these files into the cloud dramatically frees up storage space, so it makes it more effective. Also save you money in the long term, as you won't need to buy a new server disk array or internal disks when they reach capacity. So as we can see here, if I look at my documents folder, the actual size is 38.6 gigabytes, but archiving has reduced this right down to just 1.22 gigs, which is a huge saving. From a user perspective, you won't even notice. Archive files are replaced with stub files, and when interacting with these, they open exactly as you'd expect. Here's another example. As you can see, with this video, the original file was 85.4 megabytes. But on the disk, the size is just now 64K. This is our stub file, and as you can see, you can retrieve it on demand. So to sum things up, Redstor is a 3-in-1 data management solution that helps your business back up and recover your data, also allows you to save money by making the most of your storage space through archiving. Now, there are other features as well, but we'll go into those in another video. If you'd like to discuss how Redstor can help your business, please get in touch using the links or form below. Thank you.